Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Okay, Samsung, the world's second biggest tablet maker, launches premium tablets every year. Earlier this year, the company launched the Galaxy Tab S8 series, consisting of the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. However, it may not launch the Galaxy Tab S9 early next year. According to a report from the ELEC, Samsung has postponed the development of the Galaxy Tab S9 series. It means that the launch of the tablets has also been delayed. It is being reported that this delay is due to a decrease in demand for IT products, including tablets, and a recent global economic downturn. The development was originally planned to start in December, but that has been delayed to early next year. It is possible that Samsung is now planning to launch the Galaxy Tab S9 series in the second half of 2023, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Tab S9 series is still set to feature 3 models, Tab S9, Tab S9 Plus, and the Tab S9 Ultra. Market research firms claim that the overall shipments of tablets will decline this year, but the sales of premium and ultra-premium tablets could increase. Display Supply Chain Consultants says that the penetration of premium tablets could rise from 3% in 2021 to 4% in 2022. As the development schedule for the Galaxy Tab S9 is delayed, Samsung Electronics is expected to have a new plan to target the premium tablet market next year. In general, OLED tablets and LCD tablets are classified as premium products. Currently, Samsung Electronics is targeting the premium market with its OLED tablet Galaxy Tab and Apple's Mini LED tablet, iPad, series. Samsung Electronics ranks second after Apple in the premium tablet market. The Galaxy Tab S7 series was unveiled at the flagship smartphone Note 20 series Unpacked event in the second half of 2020, and the Tab S8 series was unveiled at the flagship smartphone S22 series Unpacked event earlier this year. The Tab S7 series was released in 2 types, LCD normal model and OLED Plus model, and Tab S8 series was released in 3 types, LCD standard model, OLED Plus and Ultra model. Of course, Samsung could always decide to dedicate an entire Unpacked event to a new Android tablet or 3, especially if the company takes more time for its development and ends up using this time to add major new features and game-changing technologies of some sort to the equation. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.